Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, please provide the live broadcasting televisions worldwide, and I will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in less than 1 minute. Okay? So, questions to you all. Have you all ever heard of the word refugee as in REFUGEE? Have you all ever get to see a refugee? Answer correctly, and I know the answer, correct answer. Okay, so yes, my dear fellow mankind, I don't know about my peers. I'm aware what is refugee, and it is my understanding where innocent civilians enforced to run for life out of country only to be slaves forever in the other countries. Okay, and yes, I will stand, yes, my dear fellow mankind, um, I will stand in front of entire refugee population worldwide, and I sure will get civil justice for entire refugee population worldwide in all nations who cannot talk, and I become mouthpiece for entire refugee population in all nations across all the continents. Okay, now, if you all don't know what is a refugee, then listen to my civil justice ongoing process and get educated in wisdom of awareness and silence. Okay? That this testimony is all about deadliest Pope Francis, Satan, alias Lucifer, alias Antichrist created leprosy, domestic violence type refugee to damage human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence worldwide daily forever. So, and yes, Antichrist alias Lucifer alias Satan, Republica, Jesuits leader Pope Francis only created domestic violence refugee worldwide. So, absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to create any refugee of any form or avatars for fellow mankind, for it is a deadliest infinite crime to create refugee for a fellow mankind. Okay, and I alone can bail out at fault found guilty United States of America. Nobody can. So by as of January 2021, you as a nation must not, I'll put it in the double quotes, must not, within double quotes, should not have any refugee programs or asylum parole deadliest slavery process model in United States of America in any of the 50 states as of today. So who in the earth is you as a nation to even dare enough to provide refugee program which is classified as Satan process model? Why there is no Harvard, why there is no education services, I proved, right? So that is why Harvard Law School and Harvard Medical School is handcuffed by me. There are no lawyers, there are no judges, there are no teachers, there are no educationists, right? Everything is broken in pieces. Not even one educated man, not even one educated woman in United States of America as of today don't know the USA nation should not have any refugee programs. Do you all know the severity of that when the nation is providing that refugee program? Oh, there is no other crime beyond that, and there is no, it's not even shame, you know. And USA nation do not have any, cannot provide any kind of excuse to me. I handcuffed United States of America, and it's a handcuffed United States of America is right in the center of all the nations to watch why the United States of America is handcuffed and got all the curses from the crime of Vatican. Does the United States, foolish United States of America nation even aware of the severity what the nation is in as of today? That is really very pathetic state. It's broken in pieces. Why on the earth United States even want to waste a program called as a refugee program, right, an asylum program and a parole, and to treat the civilians as a trash, less than a trash? Does even United States of America government even have any common sense of what they are what they are doing to the human kingdom? The whoever in the United States of America government professionals as in Senate, they are all the real, they are not the owners of the USA actually, they are the immigrants actually, and they are thinking they are the owners of the USA and they are doing a crap. They're treating fellow mankind as a trash. Oh, that is the deadliest crime a nation can provide. Why nobody knows that there should nation should not have, United States of America nation should not have, never have any refugee programs? Why nobody educated USA? What is going on wrong? What is the reason? What is the scope and what is the objective behind it? Why not why Harvard Medical School and Harvard Law School never even bothered to educate the USA government? What are the Supreme judges doing in USA for past 500 years? What did they studied in the accredited law school or accredited medical school? Why nobody knows in the United, okay, there are 300 million people, right? Why not even, are there not only even, why there is not even one single human in United States of America to educate you as a government, which is absolutely a foolish nation right now? Can you all understand the severity of the foolish disease? They will never, when the patients are infected with foolish disease, they cannot understand the wisdom. That is the severity level of the severe foolish disease. So as of today, USA is in handcuffed mode is one part. And I don't even know whether the USA will be able to provide all the medical finance compensation to the entire human kingdom. I am already aware that United States of America is in $22 trillion deficit. And when they are not fixing whatever that needs to be fixed, how on the earth they are going on providing an illusion that we will fix. There are two different governments. That itself is a wrong, right? USA should have only one government. So that's why the President Trump and President-elect Joe Biden, though innocent one side, at fault for not even aware that the nation should have only one government, and rather they are having two different governments. And how long the scandal has been going on? For past 500 years. Why not even one human being in USA bothered to educate USA government in the rightful way? What's the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that is the USA government world population, all are richest population. They are all always employed. Always they have enough money in their bank accounts. They don't know the word called poverty, right? And so they really mock. They mock the population who are not able, who are financially disabled, and that is really wrong. That is really wrong. So, why the United States of America nation never ever knows that there must never be any refugee program in United States of America? What education does United States of America government even need to provide that, to get that education, to get that wisdom education? It's a trillion excuse me, $1 trillion of worth of scandal of Pope Francis. And for destroying the national operations only, for foolish USA is allowing Queen of England the Satan, Pope Francis the Satan, to live free. Why? Why is USA doing all this foolish stuff? Not anymore. Not anymore. I am going to get all the civil justice count by count for entire human kingdom. USA nation cannot, and USA nation cannot fool population anymore. Not anymore. I own USA. And I have all the birthright to ask who gave authority to destroy USA nation. Because USA belongs to me. I own USA. I am Native Indian tribe. And I will ask who gave the USA government to destroy USA in pieces. Who gave authority? Just because if Pope Francis says, okay, go create refugee, Queen of Elizabeth says, okay, go create a refugee, does USA nation, foolish nation, have to follow that? Yeah, see, the USA government should have slapped on the evil Queen Elizabeth's face and slapped on the face of Pope Francis and should have told, hey, this nation is a wisest nation. We do not have any refugees anymore. That is the healthiest nation, right? A nation should never ever have refugees. Population should not even know, the children population or younger generation population should never ever know there is a word called refugee that is existing in the dictionary or curriculum or education services. So everywhere it is broken. And okay, there is broken things. So why people cannot fix it? Because they, not even one single human, be it man or women, right, educated or not educated, they could not figure out the root cause. That is the reason. So at least I am educating the root cause, right? So at least what the USA nation can do at this point, right? Wisest choice is just lay off Pope Francis immediately, without any second, without any delay. Nations do not need any explanation from Pope Francis. Got it? He can tell, oh no, I'm going to do the rosary, I'm going to say Hail Mary, rosary, like this, that. No. Just ask him to resign immediately, abruptly now. And just wait and ask Pope Francis to wait for the death penalty in the volcano in Hawaii. Nobody asked for Pope, right? Nobody asked for Queen of Elizabeth II. Nobody asked for absolute organization. Nobody asked for Jesuits organization, right? So why on the earth they created? Who gave authority to USA to even create those satanic organizations to destroy the peace of fellow mankind worldwide? Do you all know the severity of the crime of the Vatican that provided in every single thing? So why on the earth the refugee was created? Tax. Just for tax. Just for the dollars. Queen of England, she needs to eat dollars every single day in the form of what? Tax. And how on the earth can she eat dollars every single day? He and Pope Francis has to every single day misguide nation operations, telling that create refugee, create poverty, create homeless, and get the tax from the population and give it to me like that. So why on the earth United States of America have to display their foolishness every single day with that broken government operations and also feeling proud? That is wrong. That itself displays the severity of the foolish disease. USA government cannot proudly tell, oh see, we are the happiest nation that is providing refugee program. No, that is $1 trillion error. It's a scandal. And USA is handcuffed mode, right? So I don't know. See, when I'm educating that President-elect Joe Biden should back off silently and provide me the pathway to lead the USA means I am educating the wisdom the rightful way. Why? Because I do not want any of the new government also to get the more curses of Vatican, right? Because even they cannot fix it. They can talk all the nice talks, right? They can provide all the fancy team or formation like that, but they cannot fix it. That is the truth. I only can fix it because I am brave enough to slap on the face of evil Queen of Elizabeth II. Versus Democrat President-elect Joe Biden cannot. He's a puppet. He's absolutely a puppet to Pope Francis. Absolutely a puppet to Queen Elizabeth II. And how on the earth do you all think that the Democrat administration is going to fix when they cannot fix? See, least action shows what a person is. It's a basic wisdom known worldwide, right? When entire nations worldwide is going through COVID-19 crisis, what did the Democrat President-elect Joe Biden do? Did nothing. Just nothing. And that is why I already conveyed he's less innocent than President who is going out, right? Who's leaving is President Trump is innocent. So there is a different levels of innocent itself. President Trump is not a lawyer. Versus President Joe Biden is a lawyer means when he is providing an error, right? the crime gets exponentially increased. People will ask, you are a lawyer. What did the accredited law school taught you, President-elect Joe Biden? That is the question he will get it. So here it absolutely displayed that it was all for a power grab, power for fanatic love of power, for fanatic love of earn the salary, right? Every day they want see, I already told people here in United States of America, they are in a survival mode every single day. Got it? So President-elect Joe Biden, you see, he is in a retired age mode only, right? Even President Trump is also in a retirement age only. And even if they are not a president of United States of America, they have lot of wealth to pass their retirement life in a healthy way, right? Without any financial crisis, they can pass. But then, see, then they're telling they can fix it, they cannot fix is one issue, one part, right? One concern. Then there is a age factor, meaning they are all in the retirement age and they can only provide the generation gap part of it, meaning only there is another scandal behind that also. Okay, there is a scope, and behind that, why the generation gap part, I already told the government world population are all old age people. Got it? Everybody in at least, the youngest. I mean, I would say at least in 60s to 80s range, right? And then very few are only in the other generation. I would say even for 40s and 50s, and then very very less population is the other younger generation. So, if you see the patterns of abuses, the government professional populations are in old age people, right? 60s to 80s. Majority of the population are in 60s to 80s, right? So they design the government operation accordingly that they only get all the benefits in a correct way. So there is that cunning nature also. Get it? So that is why I'm telling a government is a holy processing, right? But all these people with their narrow mindedness, with their insane nature, with the foolish nature, they don't know how to operate a government operation that way to provide an unbiased healthy operations for entire human kingdom according to their age, right? But that is not the way they are providing. That itself is wrong. Everything is wrong. So that means the retired age population not getting the whatever they need to get. Younger generation is not getting the help they want to get. Okay, that is all different. But then what I'm educating is there should never be refugee programs in anywhere in the United States of America, right? So why not even one educated population knows? I will ask, see, President-elect Joe Biden can overlook that the truth of I am the native Indian tribe, and he can become a president of USA, right? That is a scandal, that is a known scandal, right? But then, if I'm going to ask President Joe Biden, hey, you are a lawyer, so why on the earth the US nation is having refugee program? He is going to put his face down, right? Because I never went to the law school. I never went to the law school versus President Joe Biden went to the law school. So he should have known, he must have known that there should never be any refugee services. So why I'm telling innocent and less innocent is President Trump, never a politician, right? I already told he is an entertainment service provider, right? And real estate mogul. So, and versus the President-elect Joe Biden is a politician basically. Being a lawyer, he was a lawmaker, he was in government forever. So, all those years, all those minutes, all those seconds, everything went vain, right? He could have easily educated and banned that refugee program altogether. Why he didn't do that? Because The scandal is on different variations and levels, and Democrat population and the Republican government, they are all puppets to the Pope Francis. So, meaning Pope Francis says, create hell, President Joe Biden is going to create hell. That is what the puppet works, right? That is how puppet works. Have you all seen a puppet show? Where the puppeteer will do all the, control. It's like that. So there should never be any refugee. Can you all see why I'm absolutely frustrated and super mad at foolish United States of America? That, see, I already told I will get healthy frustration and healthy anger whenever I see injustice. Got it? So if President-elect Joe Biden don't know what is justice versus injustice, then I would say, what did the law school even thought President-elect Joe Biden at the first place? Right? So Harvard Law School is handcuffed, Harvard Medical School is handcuffed. They cannot even tell, oh, they are the very fancy education facilities anymore. Right? For how long the Harvard School is in United States of America? For how long Harvard Medical School in United States of America? It is for almost 500 plus years, right? So, can you all understand the distraction provided by Pope Francis? Everything root cause is Pope Francis only. I already said the national leaders, the national government population, they are all in a better position at least. Okay, only the medical services population only is quarantined by me. Why? Quarantining is a processing where you can group the population, right? When you're going to group, easily we can identify which group created hell, right? So I just quarantined the entire medical services one side and absolute monarchs the other side, and the remaining government the other side, and everybody is seeing the truth as is mode with their own eyes. I don't even have to provide any proof. Right? Because worldwide is seeing that medical services has been broken in pieces because they are absolute puppet and slaves to Pope Francis. They are going to do whatever Pope Francis is asking them to do. So what is this scandal is all about? Pope Francis, Queen Elizabeth II, they ordered USA government to create refugee program. That is wrong. I would have slapped on the face of the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and would say, just get out of the earth right now. Who on the earth are you to tell a nation to create a refugee program? This is me. I would have done that. So why the USA government were not able to do that? Do you all know why? Because USA national operations have to operate, right? So for that, what is needed? Funding, the dollars. So who is giving that funding? Who is giving the dollar? The Satans. Got it? Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis only funds each and every single USA operations. So that means they enslaved the nation. They also enslaved the USA government in a cunning way, to the extent when the government is made enforced to be dependent mode. Right? When we are financial disabled mode, it's an absolutely deadliest dependent mode, disability mode. So then the USA nation cannot do anything. They have to be in the survival mode. They have to operate the government, and they have to get the dollars, and they cannot slap the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis on the face and say, get out of the earth. Right? On the other end, what I'm saying is, just give the task to me. I will slap Queen Elizabeth II on the face and Pope Francis on the face and all the faces of Pope Francis, and I will say, just get out and get lost, get in ashes and gone for good in volcano in Hawaii. This is what I will say, right? Why? Because I'm a true owner of USA. See, you all should know that always a true owner, right? True owner of the nation will take care of that nation very carefully, right? Very carefully. This foolish Queen of Elizabeth, what did she do in all entire years? She provided only poison alcohol, poison tobacco, poison sugar, poison salt to the innocent civilians worldwide, provide with illusion, without any awareness. And then above all, she also created more and more and more hell after hell after hell after hell. For how long the population will tolerate that torture? For how long the USA nation will keep on providing illusion to the population? Does USA nation have any common sense, or can even understand the severity of the crime which I'm educating about? In education facilities, in curriculum, there should never be a word called refugee or slavery or hatred or discrimination or poverty or homeless. So why not even one educated population in USA guided USA in the rightful way? So that means, can you all see that the elections 2020 is a scandal has been proved every single day by me? They can become president, or they can start their organization services, but when I'm going to ask all the questions, because I already conveyed that I filed a lawsuit against United States of America for how many dollars? $50,000 trillion. Got it? And I filed lawsuit against Department of Health Services for how many dollars? $500 billion. I already conveyed it is because of that they are the cunning people, right? They did not want their scandal to be known to the world. So they created COVID-19 scandal. That is a different issue. They are not going to escape the judgment day process that is going on. Got it? The medical world population are in handcuffed mode. They can talk in the news media in a very nice way. No, they are going to pay the price for created the COVID-19 scandal worldwide. That is really wrong. And just because I filed lawsuit against Queen Elizabeth II, they provided this kind of scandal means, I really don't know why the foolish United States of America allowed those deadliest criminals to live free, tax free in palace at the first place, and also providing all national benefits free. Why? Why United States of America? Why being proudest of being infected with foolish disease? Why? So I know all the root cause. Okay, I have not even started with the justice process sign of closure yet. I have to explain to the foolish USA government that USA government should not have any refugee program right now. And do you all know what is the severity I'm talking about? Each software line of code is very difficult to write, okay, because it's a brain drain job. Got it? So, that means if they are going to say, let's say, if the USA government is going to tell, oh, this woman is wanting the refugee program to be banned in USA, means just like that, they cannot change it. Got it? Because there are zillions of lines of software codes in public sector systems and private sector systems. It's a huge volume of data. Just leave the data part, can be cleaned in the database, and then we can work on it, okay, at least in a affordable process. But then the software lines of code, let's say I will provide an example, okay. Let's say if there is a 10 lines of software code, okay, and each line provides a validation, right? Or validation, what is the meaning of validation is, it's going to say, okay, if the application, or if the any of the product is working correctly or not, or how it should work, like that, right? So it goes on checking on the logic after logic, right? So then so it will come to the logic for refugee programs, right? So when they are going to comment or when they're going to delete that particular software line that is going to check for the logic of refugee programs alone, it is going to impact the zillion lines of software codes as well. So can you imagine how much of torture that the software world population have to undergo through when this kind of changes that have to need to be provided? That is really hell, I would say, because the cost is going to increase because of that, because the man hour labor is needed more for doing that job. It's not easy, right? And to be see everybody when they, I'm not talking about software professionals only, right? Anywhere in the workplace when their population are overloaded with their task, people will get frustrated, right? And this one, the frustration will be more. Why? Because they have to go into each software line and they have to do the changes, and it is not easy, never easy, and that it is a labor cost is high, right? On the other hand, what is the affordable way to fix this? You have everything clean and start everything clean and then write the software code means that makes the life of a software world population easier, right? When I'm saying easier means what is the good thing about that? Jobs is created, healthy jobs is created, then the new software lines of code is written, right? So that means that strain of going and checking on each and every single zillions of lines, that part of the tension is gone, right? So that is why making other people's work was also easier is also one of the healthy tasks that I need to provide. See, so that means rather than fixing the broken software services, the healthiest option would be design, start new, and then go with it. Because that is the healthy way when, because every single operation is dependent on the software services only, right? So it is a chain reaction. It is going to impact everywhere. So when I'm saying this, okay, so when it's going to go through that refugee program, it is going to hit on every single government operations, retail operations, sports operations, recreation operations, everywhere. So can you all see the damages that is being done already beyond repair? It cannot be repaired. See, President Joe Biden elect can say like any other politician, oh, we can fix it. No, I gave the rightful timeline. It will take next 50,000 years at least to fix whatever that has been broken. So don't you all think that when a nation is broken beyond pieces, the absolute monarchs should get out of the earth immediately? At least that stress will be gone forever, right? So, anyways, I just provided my frustration about a nation having foolish nation having a wrongful services which should not be even in the government services at the first place. So, how much of dollars has been wasted? How much of budgeting has been went wrong? Right? Budget allocation every year, fiscal year, they have to provide, right? So it's all went vain. It's all wrongfully gone. That is what I'm trying to tell. When a nation is providing a funding to a healthy process, then that is different. Versus when they are providing a funding to a wrongful operations, that is wrong. Refugee services should never be in a national operations. So President Joe Biden, if he is going to start with his organization, he is going to break his head, right? That is how all the presidents have been breaking their heads. They could not fix it, and even President Joe Biden elect cannot fix it. That is the truth. That is the harshest truth. However, when I step in and lead the USA, it will be fastest and robo. I can just fix it. I know how to fix it, and I can guide even software lines to start coding the rightful way. That is why I am saying that I should be the interim leader of USA, because I am also protecting President elect Joe Biden as well from not getting any curses from the crime of Vatican. Got it? If he's going to start his organization, he is going to be the puppet of Pope Francis no matter what. And he's going to get all the curses from the crime of Pope Francis. And does the USA even need that at this point of time? I don't think so. Right? I don't think so. So I already said when my life testimony is being broadcasted to worldwide, I am absolutely positive that President-elect Joe Biden will understand my concerns about the severity of the crime, right? Because he's a lawyer, though I'm not a lawyer, I'm educating the wisdom, right? So I know what is justice and what is not justice, and that is the least eligibility to be enough to be a supreme civil chief judge, right? So absolutely, he will say, President-elect Joe Biden will only say, okay, you have all the eligibility, and you're proving day in day out that you can be the excellent leader. You step in, start lead, and fix the things. That is what he will say. I am absolutely positive on that. So I already said I can provide organization structure later and any other things, right? So that means I can even provide how to have the government operation, government structure. Got it? So Senate never did their job. GOP never did their job. Congress never did their job, right? So that means they all proved that nobody, not even one civilian in the government world as of now in USA, they don't know what job task they have to do. On the other end, I can say, hey Senate, do this job. Hey House of Representatives, do this. Just do that task. Means I can guide correctly. That is what I'm educating in a wisdom way, right? A Senate should know what the Senate job should do. They cannot keep on fighting and delaying on signing of the bills, right? Because the population are tortured. So on why on the earth they can even tell, oh see, we are Senate, we are lawmakers, like that, because they are getting highest paid salary. Everybody knows that they are all paid highest salary with lots of free benefits, government benefits, because government professionals, right? So they get all the benefits free. So just because of that, they cannot torture the population, innocent population, right? With the injustice. So, anyways, I think let this be the initial part A of this justice process, because I should have only provided only the justice sign off, right? However, I wanted to express my frustration. Got it? I am not ashamed to say that I do not like refugee programs. Got it? Because I know I am the wisest in the entire earth. Okay? And there should not be any refugee program, period. It's as simple as that. It's the simplest wisdom each nation should have. So I'm not ashamed of expressing my frustration. At least I feel that it's, I'm talking to you all, right? In a friendly way. So I'm just expressing my frustration. So I'm not ashamed of that. I'm not ashamed of telling that, yes, I am frustrated that the nation should not have, never have any refugee services, but still it's having. So I'm frustrated. I'm displaying my healthy frustration, right? See, I already said, there is a healthy anger, healthy processing, right? So that is good. That's a normal human operations. So tell me, how much of dollars has been wasted for a wrongful government operations? That should, so let's say if there is not a refugee program, right? Imagine that many $1 trillion could have been used for other healthier purposes, right? It could have been education services, or it could have been basic essentials program, anything, right? But then rather, how much of trillion of dollars wasted only on a wrongful operation? That itself is a crime. Do you all know that United States of America for having refugee programs in United States of America as of January 2021 is at fault, found guilty, and should pay $500,000 trillion to entire human kingdom? because it is a brain nerves level damage is done to the innocent population. The crime is highest. So there is no doctors is also I'm proving. There are no doctors in USA yet. Sorry to tell you this, but there are no doctors yet in United States of America, and it is beyond shame, right? When there is a Harvard Medical School, there should be a doctor, right? But there are no doctors yet. So that itself is beyond shame. Nobody can tell, see, I've graduated from Harvard Medical School anymore. Not forever, they cannot tell. Forever. Why? Because the USA government operations is destroyed in pieces, right? The DHS are the gurus, they are the boss, right? They only guide, they misguided USA in the wrongful way. Why? The DHS, Department of Health Services, are absolutely slaves to the Pope Francis. Absolutely slaves to the Pope Francis. So how can all these things can be fixed? All the broken that can be fixed? I only can fix it. Why? See, when I'm telling I only can fix it, I only can fix it, you all might think, am I too proud or too rude like that? No. I am educating that I only can fix because I only know the root cause of all the errors, right? So I know how to guide in wisdom ways, and I can even guide this softer world to write the softer line of codes in a rightful way. I can guide everybody in a rightful way. That is what I'm trying to tell. I'm not trying to prove myself proud or like that. No. When a wisest always guides foolish in a wisest pathways. That is always is the wisdom. If I'm a foolish, I will say, oh wow, there is a refugee services. That's really great for a nation to have that. No. Only a foolish will say that. And I do not like foolish disease. Got it? I will slap on the foolish always. This is me. It's okay for world and the peers to accuse me or curse me to death because I do not like foolish people. It's just me, right? I do not like foolish. I will slap the foolish, and as a true friend and a guardian angel, I will guide all the foolish people only in the wisdom way, no matter what. Because I know wisdom pathways are the healthiest way. It provides that absolutely peace that passes understanding, right? So USA should know why USA is handcuffed by me. And beyond that, I want to tell one more time. When a nation is in handcuff mode, I already filed a lawsuit against the United States of America. Got it? So when the nation is in handcuffed mode, elections becomes invalid. So there are different proofs also, right? Queen of Elizabeth is ruling United States of America. Is a Satan is identified and proved. Pope Francis ruling United States of America is a Satan Antichrist is proved. Then you all keep your God-given hands on your hearts and tell me how on the earth you all, or even the 300 millions of population, or even the Democrats or the Republican government of USA can even say that elections 2020 is not scandal. Tell me, right? When the people are telling you voting scandal, I do not even want to go to that voting count and all that stuff. On the very high level, basic level, the elections 2020 is scandal, right? When Queen is a Satan and Pope Francis, who is ruling the USA, is a Satan, elections 2020 is invalid and voided, disqualified. So it's a very simplest civil justice sign off I provided right now. Less than what? A second? See, a justice must be provided in an unbiased way. Got it? USA nation should know why elections 2020 is a scandal. Why it is a scandal? When Queen Elizabeth II, who is ruling United States of America of today, is a Satan, is identified. Right? What is a Satan? Satan means they all provide anti-love. What is the anti-love? They provide unhealthy hatred like slavery, discrimination, right? Hatred like that. So there is proof for that. And what did Pope Francis saying? Pope Francis is also doing the same. slavery, hatred, discrimination, etc. Right? So when those scandals been identified upfront with the proof and provided in front of all nations, what will all nations worldwide will even think? See, at least I am saying upfront that the elections 2020 is a scandal. Do you know worldwide national leaders they cannot even say a word because that needs to be a communication between nation to nation, right? But there again, it goes all how wise people function, operate. I am the wisest one, that is why I'm upfront saying, hey, this is wrong, right? And yes, I would say that because I am saying wrong is wrong, correct is correct, uh, peers will either like me or hate me upfront. Got it? So that means even at the cost of people hating me, I stand on the same ground, and I say this is wrong, right? I am saying elections 2020 is wrong, and that is the truth. USA nation should accept that. They cannot live with this kind of an illusion. They cannot. They cannot live with this kind of an illusion. For how long? For how long people have to live in an illusion, being fooled forever? So, anyways, I will stop with this and I will continue in parts. So I will start the next session, and this is just I'm expressing my frustration. So again, please be patient. Just I'm consider me as your friend, right? Because when people are in frustrated mode, they express a healthy frustration. I'm just super frustrated and emotional too, right? Because I'm extra emotional and extra empath, okay? And that's why I become emotional when there is an injustice part, okay? So, anyways, I will continue with the next section with the fast. I will go on fast with sign of civil justice process for this deadliest crime, refugee. Okay, just be aware one more time before I end this session. There should never be any refugee programs in USA operations. Got it? I already said that nobody should be going to the work anymore. I know entire public sector population are shedding tears of shame and kind of wondering, oh no, what on the earth is happening like that? All I'm saying is, okay, stay, relax, be patient, like that, because we need to fix this deadliest scandal now. It is now or never more. Got it? We need to fix it. It's the highest priority. Just imagine for a basic consumer products, right? When there are robots people are using, when it is not working correctly, do you all know how much frustration people become? Or let's say even for an internet connection just disconnects for even for a second, how much of frustration population becomes, right? But then, why the basic common sense for the human brain never worked that there should never be any refugee programs anywhere in the earth as of 2021? And we are not in the Stone Age era, we are not in the caveman era, right? We are only in what era? Science and technology is evolving fastest, right? Science and technology is evolving era, and it's a robots era. We are living in the drones era, right? So that means I can even ask United States of America government to send the drone, lift Queen of Elizabeth from Buckingham Palace and drop in the volcano in Hawaii. Fastest, healthiest death penalty signed off. Easiest way, right? I can even use the government to go to Vatican and just use a drone, lift Pope Francis and drop in the volcano in Hawaii. Easiest, simplest death penalty signed off. But then I have to display, we all need to know each and every single disease itself is $1 trillion worth of errors. And when I'm asking that USA government should pay me $1 billion as a salary for I'm displaying all the government errors, I'm not joking. Because when people find errors in the consumer products, like laptops or televisions, right? The financial compensation is paid, right? So when for non-living things that is not working correctly, there is a compensation process, claims process. Don't you all think when a government is erred on a mandated enforced way, a medical finance compensation should be provided to entire human kingdom? See, that is why a wisest person should stand and get the civil justice. And that is what I am providing. Out of 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide, I am the only one wisest human in earth. And that means United States of America is blessed just because I am born. I would say that way. Got it? Just because I am born, United States of America and all the nation is blessed just because I am born. Because I am the only one who is going to free all the nations and provide bailout process. Got it? So, another one more time. Just be aware there should never be any refugee programs in USA. Now tell me, USA is in handcuff mode, right? The new government is going to get started. Tell me, they are lawyers. President elect Joe Biden is a lawyer. I don't know what he's going to do when government when I already filed a lawsuit, right? So that means he's going to get that question. Why on the earth there is refugee, and what answer he's going to give, I don't know. But I would say no, 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 no. I don't need any answers. Just pay $500,000 trillion to entire human kingdom, and then we can. Then I can listen to that answer, whatever, right? Because the severity of the crime is highest. There should not be any refugee programs in any of the nations worldwide. So that is really a deadliest domestic violence classification. So doctors never educated that part to the U.S. government is another $1 trillion errors. It is the medical Department of Health Services should pay another $1 trillion to entire human kingdom for that, for misguiding a USA government. So misguiding a national operation is also a crime. Got it? So you all should know why the presidents in entire president life cycle in USA were not able to provide a healthy process means government is broken one side. Satan's queen of Elizabeth and Pope Francis, they provide a roadblock. And fanatic love of power of the government jobs, they provide their roadblocks. Senate provide their roadblocks, right? And they want to show that they are the gods. And then there is that the GOP leaders who have to they provide a separate roadblock after roadblock after roadblock means who is impacted? Only population are impacted. They will get all the paycheck correctly on their bank, so they really don't have to worry about that, worry about the monthly expenses, right? So they will keep on telling, oh, we are working on this and we are working on this bill processing, we are working on this, and it will take forever. I already said this Capitol building riot, whatever that happened on the Capitol building, to provide civil justice, it will take another 500 years. That is the pathetic state the USA is now. On the other hand, I can sign off civil justice immediately, less than 1 second. Less than 1 second means what? Fastest than a robo. I can provide solutions fastest than robo. Okay, so that is why there is a reason behind whatever I'm saying. Please allow me to step in and lead the USMEs. There's a reason behind it. I only can provide healthy solutions, affordable solutions. Okay, so I will stop with this and I will take a break session, and I will provide I will start continuing with the other with the civil justice sign off. It's already close to an hour. So thank you all for your time. Bye for now.